as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay guys, we are using the Cricut from the car, our Cricut Joy. So I got my iPad. We're going to put this face on my Cricut Joy. So much fun. Let's open it up. I think I forgot my weeding tools though, so I'm gonna just try to do it with my fingers. I did bring some transfer tape. Okay, I have to select the correct machine, Joy, and select my face. Actually, I can just hit make it because I've already set it up. And we are going to do...
Without, no,
I hit the wrong thing. So
hit on mat. Right there.
we're going to click this and we're going to go without a mat. And I think we're ready. So we're going to hit, see that? We're going to hit continue. I got to select material. So we are using Smart Vinyl Permanent. So I'm going to select that, and now it's ready to load. And now I have to hit the go. Oh, I should have brought scissors. Don't forget all your tools. Okay, it's done. So we are going to unload. Okay, here it is. Can you see that? So I didn't bring scissors to cut all this off, and I am not gonna waste that beautiful material. You know what? I'm just gonna do it with my hands.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, just, if they're small enough, you could just make your own face.
Yeah. Then they'll go right where I want them. And then another one. Right there. Let me see. I'll do it like right there. And it looks funny without the mouth. So I'm just gonna pull this back. I don't need no weeding tools. Hold on. Let's just do one side at a time.
That little Not to come back too much. There you go.
There we go. Now Joy has a little face. So what we did is she is plugged in to an inverter. So I got this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below for this if you want it. It plugs into your cigarette lighter. And then it has 2 plugs. He's got his phone charging also. So it has 2 plugs and USB.
There's also, if you need to shut it off, there's a power button.
If you're going on a long car trip and you needed to make a decal for some reason, you can do it in the car. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Love you. And we're gonna sit here at the Lighthouse Restaurant where we can sit outside and enjoy some fish and watch the sunset. All right, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Toodles.
So I decided I wanted a different face, so I took that face off. Watch my next video to see what my new face looks like.